Hello everyone, this is Lero from Haoku, and in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the Haoku dashboard. Yeah, so the Haoku dashboard provides you a very high-level views of your website performance, such as the number of total sections, pages per sections, average section duration, and the average bounce rate. So Haoku is an all-in-one website analytics and optimization platform. So when we say all-in-one, we means that all the data and all the features are connected to help you gain more comprehensive insights about your website user or visitors. Yes, so from a dashboard, you can understand quickly what are your popular pages on your website and the top click and all the top converting buttons on your website and the top technologies, new versus returning visitors, top countries, or the performance of your acquisition channel. Yeah. So from this high level performance, right? So if you want to deep dive into the individual user journey from these high level patterns, if you identify any patterns from these high level metrics, you can watch heat maps directly from the dashboard, or you can even watch the section recordings of your popular pages directly from the dashboard. And if you want to, it is also very helpful to look at the section recording of the top converting events so that you get a complete picture of what people actually do before or after some important events, important actions on the website, right? Yeah, so for technology, it is also worthwhile to know that what are most of your visitors come from, whether they come from, they are using desktop device or mobile phone to access your website. So if you see a pattern, most of your visitors come from mobile users, right? You want to optimize the mobile website experience for your users. So that is how you use the high level data and numbers to prioritize your website optimizations. And lastly, the acquisition channel is a very useful table as well to understand actually which source or which channel brings you the most engaged users. Like the average time and bounce rate give you a very high level understanding of what are some of the campaigns and social media that brings you the most engaged visitors, right? So if you filter by last, you can also utilize the date range filter, the date range filters here to look at the past month acquisition channel performance, and then you can like see the campaign. Yes, and then you can like click on the data on it and see who are the individual visitor actually come from that channel. Yes, and then you can also deep dive into this their user attributes, for example, and their user attributes, and then each of the pages and actions that these visitors do on your website. All right, so that is how you can use Haoku dashboard to look at your website performance from the high level views, and from these high level patterns deep dive into the individual website heat maps or individual section recordings, as well as the visitor profile and each and every single actions that your visitors do on the website. So that is how Haoku prides itself as an all-in-one website analytics and optimization platform. So I guess that's all for today, and I'll see you in next video.